Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to show you how to select Elementor as your page builder in WordPress Blocksy. Okay, so we're going to be starting off with a blank slate. Let's head over to Blocksy and make sure you have that installed. And we'll end up on our Blocksy dashboard. Okay, and let's head over to Starter Sites. And let's go ahead and choose, well, first, free, okay? Unless you have the Pro plan that lets you use the Pro themes, that is. So let's go ahead and choose a starter site. Okay, we can, well, as you can see, if we hover over these, we can see that this theme in particular is available for Gutenberg and Elementor, and if we scroll down a bit, we might even find one for Breezy, and I'm not sure if we have Beaver Builder on here, but as you can see, most of them have Elementor available. So let's go ahead and choose this renovation one, click on import, and here we can choose our page builder. So Gutenberg is a default WordPress one. Let's go ahead and click on Elementor. Next, we'll click on Next, and just make sure all of these are checked, and install, and let's wait for that to install. Okay, once it's done importing, let's go ahead and click on View Site, and here we actually have our site. We can go ahead and click on Edit with Elementor. Let's go ahead and click on this. Alternatively, let's head back to our dashboard, okay, for the other way. And you can see Edit with Elementor, here we are. And we'll have this loaded up and Elementor options. Okay, there we are. This is Elementor. And on our dashboard, okay, we can head over to our left-hand sidebar, scroll down to Elementor, just click on that, and we'll see here that we have site settings. Click on Customize, and it'll take us to the same Elementor page as this. And okay, so that's how we access Elementor. Now, if we were to click on Customize, it's actually going to take us to the Gutenberg site customizer. So make sure that you enter Elementor through your dashboard here, or Edit with Elementor. So there's how you choose Elementor as your page builder for your Blocksy site in WordPress. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, as it really helps us out with the YouTube algorithm. Show this kind of video to other nerds like us. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.